Hello, we are going to the nature trail, and so
She's never been.
I've never ever been there, so we're gonna go. Oh, I'm okay. Well, can't step in a bunch of mud.
Follow me. Don't go to that way because I think there's snakes. But they won't come out here, so
Then why are we here?
they won't come out. You just can't go.
Well, I'm scared. I want to get out of here.
It's okay.
So, what neighborhood are you talking about? Yeah. Do you know anybody who lives there?
No. I think my brother's back there.
Okay. Ew. Okay. Yeah, I can't walk in here anymore. Okay. I think it's the same kid. I think. I don't think. Okay. It's pretty nice. It'd be really nice to even go to a park. Oh, yeah. Huh? No, there's what?
I can't see it.
Oh, no, it's fine.
No, I can't.
Okay.
If you turn the camera,
So which way are we going now?
this way.
Keep going?
That's a shortcut, but it goes into somebody's yard, so
Ugh.
we do that.
It's really terrible.
Because we got caught by the cops.
Okay, we gotta go. It's been 2 minutes. Alright, bye-bye. Subscribe, please.